There he is. He's moving. See him?
Yep. It's a small one.
Yeah.
Cold.
Nice. Good job there, Eddie.
All right.
Cool deal.
This one is freezing cold.
Is he cold?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Let me jump off the vehicle there.
Good spot, Anthony.
Yeah, that was a hard one to see, man.
Ooh, wow, that thing is ice cold. Whoops. Good spot, my friend. Yeah, look at you.
Cool. Got Eddie out here, full-time state python hunter doing his job. That's pretty good. He's caught, that's his second one in 2 days or 3 days, so he's doing pretty good out here.
Very nice.
Excellent. That's one more removed from the wild. We'll go ahead and bag it and tag it and move on to another one. Excellent.